Hey guys, it's Emily the Relentless Dreamer and I'm back with a makeup video because that's what I felt like. So first we're starting with moisturizer on the face because that's good to keep your skin nice and healthy. Then I am priming because, you know, pores. I don't know, I guess people say that it's a good thing, makes your makeup last longer, so I do it. Concealer, my skin hasn't been amazing lately, neither is my blur or focus, but that's fine. So I'm just, you know, doing what you do with concealer, concealing, you know, the spots and the dark circles, because I should probably sleep more. Yeah, I'm working on that. Sleep is really fun and it's a good thing to do. Wow, what am I saying? Okay, foundation. As always, I mix two shades because I am white. I know this looks really white, but honestly, it matches with my neck and, you know, I just try my best, man. So blending in the foundation, blend it down my neck so it just blends in with everything well, so I'm the same shade all over. And then I'm using, I think it's like finishing powder, I'm not sure what the exact word is, just to mattify everything so it lasts forever, because, you know, that's what you want. Contour, I lost my contour brush that I've just bought, so I've just been using my blush brush, or brush that I use for everything. Talking about blush, here we go, love it. I feel like I should use more blush, depends on the light, that's fine. As usual, literally all I do for my brows is I just fill them in with a dark brown eyeshadow. I know I should probably invest in actual brow products, but I've just been doing this for years and I guess I'm in the habit. You know, works for me. Well, I mean, here's a brow product. I guess it keeps the hair in place. What color am I using here? Lavender. Honestly, don't know why I went for this color, but I did, and it's kind of a nice color. I'm gonna blend it into some red later on. Again, I don't really know what I was going for. I was kind of making it up as I go along. So here I'm patting the red, just trying to concentrate that color on my lid and blend it into that lavender shade, which I guess is what I chose as a transition color. Kind of made a bit of a mistake there, but you know, blending fixes everything, almost. And then don't forget to do it underneath the waterline, a step that I always used to forget, but oh my goodness, does it make a difference. And I'm just deepening that color with the dark burgundy, which is just a staple color in my life and should be in yours too, in my opinion. Yeah, again, I don't really know what I'm doing. I think I blended it along my upper lash line as well because I decided that was a good idea at the time. What is a good idea, you know, rolling with it. Highlight all those general areas that the light catches to add, I guess, dimension to the face. Is that what it does? Makes you look glowy in the light. I like it. Kind of completes a look. I feel like it's not complete without it. Eyeliner. Now, I tried really hard and I actually like the end result, but getting to it, it'd be nice if I filmed what I did, but I tried so hard to make sure that I was in frame and I failed. So I apologize. I tried to kind of make a really funky cat eye. I don't really know. It kind of evolved into something that I hadn't done before, which isn't this part. This is kind of just your usual cat eye. I think I wanted like a thicker eyeliner look, or I kept making it uneven, so I ended up kind of adding a bit. There you go, you can see a little bit more curve to the underline of the eyeliner, if that makes sense. And it actually turned out really well. Adding mascara after curling my lashes, just a staple, and using a lip liner. Again, this is actually another, well, not again, it's another lip product besides the lipstick that I've been using all the time. So, you know, we're going up in the world. Pretty sure I put the lipstick over top of it. There we go. But hey, you should be proud of me. We've got a little bit of a variety. I do need to invest in more lipsticks, but maybe that'll happen one day. I don't know, I just like lip liner. I used to wear it all the time, then I ran out of it and didn't replenish my stock. But yeah, I don't know, I like this look. It made me feel really good. So, you know, I guess that's the goal in makeup, is just, you know, power dressing. I added lashes now. I will have a lash video coming up in the future, so I wanted to practice in the meantime. And of course, a look on my channel is never really complete without a set of really freaking funky contact lenses. So I've got these lenses from Honey Color. I'll link them down in below. I've done a video on these lenses before. I love them. I just think they are so groovy, and I am, you know, I shake my head a lot when I film these videos. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Hang around. I hope you join my family on YouTube. That's a weird thing to say. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.